Hey everyone, it's Shakira. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing some exercises for Diastasis Recti. If you don't know what that is, I'll leave the information below and also some other videos for anyone that is looking to correct their Diastasis Recti. And so here we're doing something really simple. We're just tapping the feet slowly. Now, as you can see, my low back, my entire back is completely flat on the ground. And this is something that is really important that you're going to need to make sure you have going on when you're doing this. Now, the positioning of the hands is really going to be an individual thing. I started out with the hands above my head just so that you can kind of see my low back. But you can use the hands to keep you grounded and to provide some more support for the low back, as that area tends to pop up when doing core exercises with people that have a weak core. Now we're just extending the leg out, and the key here is to make sure it's slow and controlled, and think about the muscles that you are using. And when you flex that leg out, make sure you engage the muscles in the leg. So I'm really squeezing my quads, and again, everything is grounded and rooted into our mat. We're going to do the same thing on the left side. And just a reminder that as soon as you're cleared by a doctor, let's say your Distasis Recti was caused by pregnancy, make sure you get started right away on your exercises, because the longer you wait, the more difficult it's going to be to get the muscle back together. So here I am just simply really engaging through my core and crunching up. You have the option to put the hands behind the head. Try to keep that chin off the chest so that you have the best form here. So really just focusing. This looks like, oh, it's just a crunch, but when you really focus on the muscles, you really get a better result, a better burn when you really are focusing on the muscles. Now here I'm just pausing for a few before we move on to our next move. So with this next move, we are simply trying to bring the elbow closer to the knee. Now, the better you get, the more healing that happens with your Distasis Recti, the more you'll be able to add on here. The next step for a move like this would be like a bicycle with an extended leg. So, but just take it easy, give yourself some time to heal, and go the next step when the body is ready. As always, I thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.